Guys, it's a classic Manila Classico between Ginebra and Magnolia. And to be honest, kala ko kanina na medyo nagpo-point towards Magnolia's way. I thought they were gonna win. Pero kudos to Stephen Holt, kudos to Jamie Malonzo, and it was a wild game kasi hindi ko rin maintindihan yung rotation at times. Xavier Lucero was, usual Xavier Lucero. Tapos nakita rin natin yung debut ni Will Navarro. William pala, he doesn't want to be called Will. William Navarro. It's
Yeah.
adjustment period. Kitang-kita na he's still getting used to it, pero that's part of it. Whenever he's joining a loaded team. And I think you guys would agree na loaded team nga tong Magnolia.
Super.
Yeah. Yeah, 100%. Loaded team nga sila. Kaso, I told you guys even before the game started, no chance in hell that
No
Ginebra was
chance.
gonna win.
Actually, yeah.
Bakit?
There's
Sense
no
of
chance,
urgency.
pare.
Sense of
Pare,
urgency.
Magnolia number 1 seed, tas yung Ginebra nanganganib. Come on now. Come on now. Let's not do this. Pero, yes, we will give credit to the people.
Yes.
Jamie, bro.
Fourth
My
quarter,
God.
diba? Jamie really showed up in the fourth quarter. Actually, second half. Jamie second half.
Guys, wait lang. Before I move on to that, gusto ko lang
Oh,
sabihin
sige,
na
sige.
very obvious, very, very obvious na we are about to say goodbye to Maverick Hamnisi and Jeremiah
Oo nga,
Gray.
no? Mag was...
Yeah.
Oo nga
It
pala.
is the most obvious thing on planet Earth na paalis na
No,
si Maya,
Mav.
paalis na si Mav Hamnisi, man. Kasi si Mav, pre, di siya nakaangat dun sa upuan niya.
DNP, bro.
DNP siya. Maverick Hamnisi is either, he's not injured, I don't think he is, ha? Pero,
I don't think he is. Walang report. Walang report.
baka
Portrait
injury,
reporter
baka
kanina.
injury ni Heading, baka same sila ng injury.
Yung ganong injury. Okay.
Ang ganyan injury. Pero guys, halata, man. Jeremiah, you're gone, bro. Mav, you're probably gone as well. And for me, it's fine. If you're Mav and if you're Jeremiah, bro, get me off Ginebra. I'm gonna shine somewhere else. You're fine with that, man. You're genuinely fine with it. This is not a slight on Mav. This is not a slight on Jeremiah. But rather na, Mav, if they put you on
Get your
rain or
confidence
shine
back,
right
Mav.
now,
Yun yung for me. Get your confidence back, Mav.
let's go. Put Mav on rain or shine. He's gonna be the
I
best
don't think
player.
Reina Shine's gonna trade.
He'll be that go-to
Or
guy
they're gonna
na.
trade for Mav. Sino trade nila kung Mav? I don't think Reina Shine yung
Hamnisi for Bobel.
for Bobel.
For Bobel. For, what's his name? Santi Santillan. Mga ganun. Kaso hindi. Anyway,
Actually.
Jeremiah Gray, bro, let's find confidence somewhere else. Bro, I'm telling you right now. It's again, di ko sinasabi na walang kwenta sila. May kwenta silang dalawa. It's just that, kita mo naman ngayon, in one of your more important games, you didn't touch the court, man. You had Nards Pinto touching. You had Ben Adamos on the court before you. Like, man, you know what I mean? Yeah. But on the game itself, number one, how do I say this in a nice way?
Sige, go lang. Pang PR way.
Ginebra won the game. They won the game. Pero
They
man,
did, yeah.
I don't think you should be happy if you're Ginebra.
They had to fourth quarter run, diba? Alam ko, hinabo lang nila to eh. They outscored
Hinabo lang nila.
26-13 Magnolia in the fourth quarter. It had to go through that route.
Oh,
Pero to be fair, ganun lagi yung Manila Classico eh. Diba?
Ganun lagi yung trend.
Despite yung lineup in the standings, ganun lagi, diba? Una lagi yung Magnolia, Ginebra will make a run, sagot yung Magnolia, and then Ginebra comes up big in the end.
I mean, isn't that the game for all of the SMC versus Ginebra versus Magnolia versus SMB? It all follows that same pattern somewhat. So I think it's just a matter of who can finish the game better. And at this point, we can make the argument na Ginebra finished the game better. I think we can make that argument naman.
Yeah, they played well. They finished the second half really well. I would agree as well.
Ang akin lang I think we have to give a lot of credit to RJ Abarientos. Kasi for the first time, I don't think I've ever said this in my life, pero yung calmness ni RJ Abarientos saved them in that game mismo ha. Kasi
Really calm. Yeah,
Yes.
first time ko nga rin
in
narinig
this
sa yan.
game, ang talino ng ginagawa niya. Like, he was very calm. He wasn't forcing up jack shit. Like, he was playing a very good game. And yeah, Jamie played well. Pero halata pa rin ang kulang ng Ginebra. Ang kulang ng Ginebra ay big man who na kaya mag-rebound and kaya makipagbakbakan. Sorry, Ben Adamos. You
Sabi ko
tried.
sana, may Ben Adamos naman kayo ah.
You tried, bro, and it didn't work out, right? And
Give you
then,
guys 4 points.
we haven't seen.
Binigyan ka ng 4 points.
Only 4 points. Good job, Ben.
Galing mo, Ben.
Um, uh, for me, no, nakakalungkot lang na parang, remember dati, no, yung Manila Classico dinudumog. Tapos ang
Yeah.
papangit ng laban. Normally, tambakan. Ngayong
Mm.
ang gaganda ng laban, di ba last year, Christmas buzzer beater ni Scotty. And
Yeah.
then ngayon, ito na naman another comeback by Hinebra. Ngayon naman yung hindi ganun karami nanonood. Parang it's it's at the wrong time, ano. But the
Mm.
games are classic. Yung Magnolia, I think, give them a confidence and they'll be legit. You can
Bro,
see it, di ba? Andun na yung upside
Integrating
eh.
Will Navarro. Yeah, they have to integrate Will Navarro. It's not
Oo,
that easy.
bro, grabe naman kasi.
parang,
Go lang.
no, Mario, go.
Bro, isipin mo to, you only won by 4 points, and William Navarro looked like he was lost out there for most of the game, if we're being
Yeah,
honest.
halatang new team eh. Alam mo, saan ako pupusto?
But now you see how scary this shit is. You sub Xavier Lucero out and you bring William Navarro in. Ang gagago pa tayo.
All-star level players. Hindi sila pinagsasabay, no? Napansin nyo? Hindi pa, as
Di
of
pa,
right now,
di
hindi pa
pa.
sila
Di
sinasabay. I
pa.
think they have to.
Oo. In the
At some
future,
point,
they will be
magkakaroon.
starters, di ba?
Yeah. At some point, magiging ano yan, bro. William Navarro, Xavier Lucero, Addis Dionisio, probably Sanggalang, and then Mark Baroka or Jerome Lastimosa. At some point, that will become your 5-man. Kasi you switchable yan. 1, 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 2 through 5, switchable yan. Kasi,
Oo.
that's
Parang
massive.
parang yung Magnolia kanina, parang, di ba pag nagpalit ka ng wallet, di mo alam kung nasan yung card mo, di ba? Di mo alam kung saan yung cash mo. Kasi naninibago ka eh. You appreciate yung bagong wallet mo, but in the end, hindi mo alam kung nasan mo pinaglalagay yung stuff mo, di ba? That's
Si Mario na iiyak.
that's how I felt about them, di ba? Yung Magnolia. And I mean, I hate to say this because I'm not a fan. And whenever I say I'm not a fan, I'm really not a fan.
I think super
They're
clear,
gonna
super
win
clear.
They're gonna win a championship in the next 2 years.
Oh,
Yung
really?
Magnolia.
Okay. Okay. Wow.
This
Okay, from a
team,
non-fan, ah.
from a non-fan, okay? This team is scary. Parang one more piece, no? Tingin nyo, ako tingin ko one more piece.
Magnolia?
For-
One more piece?
for Magnolia.
A big man?
Oo.
You think like,
For me,
hindi ka lang mo ng
if
sub
they,
for James Laput?
if you still had Gio Halalon instead of Mark Baroka, I think they're good.
Oh, yeah.
Actually,
Okay ka na. Like, this is the roster na.
instead of Polly.
Yeah,
Of Polly.
instead of Paul Lee. I'm sorry, guys. We're gonna do this again.
Halalon.
Paul
Oo.
Lee right now, man, not.
Not that guy, no?
Everybody knew the ball was going to him for that 4-point shot, diba? Walang ibang titiran yan, men.
Wala na nga. Very clear.
Ang tanong ko pa sa
Do
yung
you think he
dalawa,
got
did
fouled
Paul Lee get
dun sa
fouled?
last day?
Oh, yung tanong ko. I asked the same question. Did he get fouled sa tingin nyo?
Ako tingin ko, oo eh. I think it's enough
Parang
to...
oo. Parang oo.
It was enough
Hindi ko lang
to,
masabi kanina,
to-
parang guys, ano na yan?
Diba?
Parang
This
naipit siya,
Raven.
diba?
Yeah.
Ang akin lang, sa tingin ko rin, could have been called a foul.
Pero,
Could have been called. Pero,
in the dying
the
second,
fact
would they
na
call
siya
it?
yung
Would they
nag-lean
call
in
it?
konti.
Okay.
Kasi kay Jamie eh. Kaya siguro people were like, hindi, di yan foul. Pero if you look at the contact itself, I would make the argument na probably a foul.
By the book, it's a foul. Diba?
By the book, it's a foul. I agree. But the foul would have been a 3-point line anyway. I don't think he was in the 4-point area either. And then, ayun. So Hinebra's able to escape with a win. But you give credit to what's his name? RJ Barrientos. You give
Yeah, RJ
credit to
Barrientos played well.
Nagsisimula na ang Knights Pinto revenge arc, ah. Baka
Yan,
ito na yung sinasabi ni Grem, ah.
One last thing dun
All-star
sa
Nads
Polly.
starts Pinto yan. Don't put
Yeah, there
disrespect.
you go.
All-star yan.
One last thing about kay Polly.
Oh.
If Magnolia fan ka, kaya magreklamo si Denzel Bowles nga, nakakuha ng 2 free throws, wala naman talagang foul yun, di ba? Yung kay Kelly Williams. So, okay ka na.
Naalala ni Grem yun, ah.
Yeah,
He's
so,
been going through this.
Pulled that from galing sa baul yun, ah.
yeah, di ba? You've been beneficiary of some bogus calls in the past. So, let this one go. But,
yeah.
it's, I don't think Ginebra will win the championship this conference. I'm giving it this early now.
Oh, galing kay Graham yun, ha?
Oh,
Oo, no.
Ginebra diehard yan. O yung mga
Ginebra.
haters ni Graham, ha? Haters ni
Ginebra.
Graham, sinabi niya yan.
Oo,
Oh,
sasabihin
baka
niya na naman,
sabihin nyo.
tatawagin niya na naman akong fanboy. They don't have what it takes right now. Wala silang Brownlee. Di ba?
I
Parang,
agree. I
I
agree.
don't see the path. I hope I'm wrong, di ba? In the playoffs, pag nagpipilian na tayo, may still choose them. But as we speak,
Gusto,
they're not as good as San Miguel. They're not as good as TNT.
gusto ko yung sinabi ni Graham.
Kailangan sila na NLEX, di ba?
Sabi ni Graham,
Yeah.
I may still choose
Tied kami
them.
for number 1 right now. Tied kami for
Yeah,
number
there you
1.
go.
Pag natalo na yung Magnolia, we are number 1. Sa mo,
Gagi,
anong
ganun.
world nakita mo to, Graham, no? Ay, Mario, na NLEX is running for number 1. Tapos ano,
Ako, sabihin ko lang dahil kay Brandon Ramirez yun, guys.
that's because of Big B.
And to all PBA scouts out there, makes no sense for you to allow Cyrus Torres to land in whatever third
Third
round. ba
round.
yun?
Third round yun, bro.
No
Third
sense
round,
at all.
Cyrus Torres.
No sense at all to get Cyrus Torres in the third round, okay?
That's
Even in
crazy.
college, Cyrus Torres was a bucket. Okay?
Pero he was playing in FEU. So, alam mo yung under the radar ka talaga. Kahit anong laro mo, under the radar ka eh.
Si Jacob Cortez ga, taga San Beta, minamamaw niya yung UP eh.
Pero dapat champion
Alam mo
sa
kung saan
iba
natin
naman yun.
nakikita yan si Cyrus Torres. Alam mo kung
Saan?
saan lang natin nakikita yung Cyrus Torres? Sa Pinoy
Saan?
Liga Cup.
Sa Pinoy Liga ka lang ako eh.
Doon natin
Good old days namin ni Graham yun. Good old days
Sabi
namin
ni
ni
si LJ
Graham yun.
Gonzalez dun.
Si LJ pa nga, take a backseat kay Cyrus nun.
Oo. Anyway, going back to
Oh,
the
anyway,
game.
sorry.
Amin din.
Na-distract tayo sa NLEX eh.
Nagi-
Is it may NLEX fanboy dyan eh po.
but legit that speaks to how good coach Jong Chico rin is talaga.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
every team he's
The
gone to, he's
adjustments
won
they
the
did.
championship. Yeah, they won championship in TNT, San Miguel, Ginebra. So he's good. But going back to the game,
Yes, go back. Let's go back
it's
to the game.
it's just classic, I've
No
been
pun
monitoring
intended.
this oh, it was classic, no pun intended. I've been monitoring the standings. I think na siya ngayon 109, 103, 109, 102 in favor of Magnolia. All time
All time?
Manila Castro.
Wow.
Oo.
You took
Magnolia
note of that?
Yeah,
He was
109,
there for all
102.
212 games eh.
There was a time kasi talaga between 2011 to 2015 na talagang hindi sila
50 na
tinatalo
kasi si
ng
Graham,
Quezon.
guys eh. 50 na yan eh. So, pag 50th anniversary ng
50 years of PBA yan, man. Kasama sa
Oo nga eh.
tawag, tarin niya siya
Invited
ng
na-
skincare niya.
But kidding aside, itong there was a time na hindi talaga sila tinatalo ng Ginebra, but the tables have turned. But again, if you're Ginebra, you cannot feel good about this coming of a stinker against Meralco. Tapos
That's really bad.
ganito ang lamya. Remember in the third quarter, parang 9-2 run, di ba? To end the third, yung
Tapos na yun,
Magnolia.
dapat nung third quarter. Let's talk about
Yeah,
why.
if you're-
Talk about why, guys. Let's
Ito na. Ito na yung insertion
There
mo,
was
Mario.
there was a little duo out
Go
there
ahead.
that was not it. Ito yung katotohanan, guys. For me, how can you call someone Batman when you can't play him in the fourth quarter, pare?
Actually, guys, yung context by the way, Coach Tim called Japet Aguilar a Batman right now, and I think all three of us agreed na
Wild comment.
he's kinda hindi ko alam kung anong nakain ni Coach Tim that day, hindi ko alam anong nainom ni Coach Tim that day, but sige.
Di guys, ito.
I have a theory. You wanna listen? You wanna listen to why he called him Batman?
Why?
Because his butt is on the bench during
On the bench?
crucial moments.
Si
That's
Batman.
why he's Batman.
Batman
Third quarter ata yun eh. Yung naka-end one si Sanggalang. Tapos nag-minti siya ng free throw. Kaso yung nakakuha ng rebound, si Sanggalang. Tapos nag-timeout si Coach Tim. Grabe yung tingin ni
Yung
Coach Tim.
pinakita sa diba doon sa feed na pinapanood natin.
Handa na siya makipagsuntukan kay Japs. Sabi niya, oh my God, di na mag-get.
Parang Chot Reyes and Poy era last conference.
It doesn't have to go to that level, guys. Guys, again, I'll give Japet some level of credit. If Japet did not play well for the first and second quarter, Ginebra gets blown out in the first half.
Sigurado.
Yeah.
Yun masabi ko sa kanya. Pero
Statistically
again,
though, si Japet 17 and 11. So, stats-wise, sige, bihira natin kay
man,
Japs.
11, baka career high niya yun sa rebounds.
17 and 11.
Pero yung
Anyway, yeah.
but like, in the second half, halatang better without Japet on the court eh.
Yeah.
Like it was very obvious. Maybe it's a matchup thing. But to be fair, I don't think many 7-footers can keep up with Xavier Lucero and Will Navarro at the same time. So, medyo understandable. Pero ayun nga, there was that stretch in the third quarter where you played both Jeremiah and Japet Aguilar. And Magnolia went on a 9-0 run. And a lot of it, not to be rude, or to be rude, I don't really give a shit. Pero a lot of it is mainly because they couldn't defend. For all the height Japet Aguilar has, he can't block a shot right now. Jerome Lastimosa was having a field day at that rim, dude. Xavier was having a field day at the rim. Ian was having a field day at the rim. Like, bro, Ginebra's missing piece. I don't even think the missing piece is Isaac Go, if I'm being honest. Because I don't think you're playing Isaac Go in these moments either, man. I think Ginebra's missing piece is somebody to the extent of Troy Rosario, if I'm being
So kung sino man trade nila for Mav, yun yung magiging missing piece.
Yeah, bro. I don't think like
Arana.
even if with the di ba may may
Ibibigay na
rumors
conversion,
na
bro. Ibibigay na
may
conversion.
Munzon going to Ginebra. Bro, walang magagawa si Munzon sa team mo.
Wala, parang it doesn't fix
Yeah, bro.
the
Munzon is
problems.
not the guy you need. The guy Ginebra needs, if I'm being honest, and I think Graham talked about this off air one time, which I'm gonna bring up here, is that if Calvin Abueva lands in Ginebra, I think they're pretty okay, man.
Is Calvin Abueva available?
If there's one coach who I believe, aside from Coach Yang, who can make Calvin Abueva
Take
listen,
that.
it's Coach Tim Cone, man.
The problem is what Ginebra needs is not available. Di ba? Wala na kasing big men na on the market eh.
Si Abueva feel ko available. Agree ako dun sa sinasabi nga ninyong dalawa.
Yeah,
Fair
no,
natin
he plays
pinag-usapan.
underneath, which is what they need, di ba? And in the import-laden conferences, he has 6 fouls para bisitin si RHJ.
Hey,
But,
yeah, exactly.
Parang visited si RSJ.
Specifically
not
RHJ,
available
ha?
talaga.
Tapos masususpend siya ulit after si RSJ. At least,
Oh, yeah.
suspension
Dalawang
well
game lang,
done.
Calvin, bugbog. Dalawang game lang yan, man. But then, like, there's no big man available. Even in the upcoming drafts, your best chance is Motor Mike Phillips. And I'll be so real with you, I don't think that guy's going to the PBA.
Parang from what I know, hindi muna sa immediate plans niya ang PBA. Wala muna sa immediate plans.
Which sucks and it hurts.
Pardon?
Medyo sad na alam natin pupunta na ng Ginebra si Mike Phillips. So, medyo sad na yun yung nasa utak natin.
Yan yung kulang eh. Siya yung kulang.
Ibebenta Terraforma, diba? Malapit na sa Star Horse. Ay, wait, saan ba? Zamboanga pa na Star Horse. Yung Zamboanga? Valientes?
Oo, diba? I remember seeing something na
alam ko yung na-cancel was Star Horse. Pero guys, comment lang kayo kung
another separate thing I want to add is, guys, halata ring pabenta na yung Northport na yan.
Yeah, parang they're also on the chopping. Parang bebenta rin nila yung franchise.
Ready na yun umuwi, man. They're trying to offload some contracts, bro. They threw Zamar away.
May going out sale na nga sila, di ba?
Ha?
May going out sale na sila, di ba?
Si Zamar trinade na eh. Courtesy call na yung kay Zamar. Dahil veterano ka namin, maghanap ka na ng ibang team.
Hindi na trinade si Zamar.
Release him pala. They released him.
Go, bro. Fire sale na yan. If you ask me, if you're Northport, if you're Ginebra, pick up. If you're Magnolia, you can go ahead and go try and pick up Joshua Munzon. Munzon, I think, could be a good piece for Magnolia.
And I think that ends it for them. Yun na yung fight film yun. Yun na yung piece eh. Pwede mo na si Munzon.
Gio Halalon could be on he's on Northport.
Kukunin ulit Pina-Park. Ano na?
But anyway, sorry, I keep getting off track. But yeah, we talk about the good things about Ginebra naman. I don't want to talk about all the negatives, bro. That's kind of rude, bro. But
in demand ka talaga, Sunday na Sunday.
In demand, yeah. I think, add ko lang na habang nakapost si Mario is, what's sad about this is, yung, we talk about si Phillips, not priority yung PBA. I mean, it's just sad, di ba? Kasi before, PBA talaga yung goal mo eh.
Well, nagbukas na talaga yung mundo ng mga players, Graham, talaga na, there are leagues outside the PBA. Before naman, parang it wasn't really the norm. So, dahil kaya 30 Rabena yan, kung bakit he started it all, na let's try playing international.
But the PBA din na stuck in with their system na sobrang old school eh, di ba? Na bawal yung ganitong player, yung mga import, di ba? pati yung
Mm.
mga foreign coach. So, it's kind of their fault din. Pero yun nga, just looking back, 'di ba? Yun kasi yung kinalakihan natin na liga. We sometimes criticize them, but it's just out of love. Sayang lang na there could have been big men available out of college, pero hindi nila option yung PBA as of now.
Bro, for me,
Mm.
add teams, bro. There are so you
Yeah,
can't.
wow.
For me,
Yeah.
solution yun ah. That's the easiest solution you can find to all of this shit out there. Let's add some teams, bro. Let's get Chooks to go. Let's get no, Petron's owned by SMC. Let's get the
Yeah.
Shell
Let's bring in Globe.
team makers.
Globe, Gcash
Bring in
versus
Globe.
versus Tropang
Maya.
5G.
Oh, let's put in the Maya, bro.
Tama,
Let's
di ba? No? Kasi binablock nila eh. Remember yung
Yun nga eh.
Chooks to go, gustong pumasok.
Yeah.
Ginawa nilang manok yung Magnolia, di ba?
Bro, it makes no sense. Kasi willing naman yung mga teams bumili ng...
Exactly.
If you're the PBA, you're the only reason right now, so no offense I'm gonna say this as bluntly as I can, cancel me if you want. But the only reason the PBA is not accepting these teams is because obviously the more independent teams you have, the less you can control the league. That's how it works, diba? That's as honest as it can be. Kasi it solves so many problems eh. Now, these college players, may chance na silang like, I don't need to go to wherever I need to go. I'll stay here. I'll be the starting point of this team. Pero yung WNBA, nakadagdag ng team, pero yung PBA, di man nakadagdag. Yung WNBA, nagka-Golden State Valkyries, pero yung PBA, in almost 10-20 years, wala madagdag na team. Come on, man.
No,
Totoo yun,
ganun
no?
lumayo, di ba?
Nagtitrend lang
Yung
talaga.
PBL. Yung PBL.
PBL. Yeah.
No, PBL, the
Padami na
Premier
padami yung
Volleyball
teams.
League, di ba?
Padami na
Added
padami.
teams.
Bro, it's so
And
easy
look
to add
out,
these
turned out.
teams. And so many of them are willing to join, bro. So many are willing to join. So like, you're telling me that when you put these teams in, I would find some sense of parity. You won't be in my honest opinion. If you had other teams in this league, more teams, Ginebra wouldn't have a stacked roster. Sorry.
Tama.
Right?
Stacked roster,
SMB
yeah.
will not, on my life, SMB will not be able to have both CJ Perez, Junmar Fajardo, and whoever else there in the lineup. They will not be able to. You
And
think
Wami
TNT,
Chogs, yung 3 troika na yun eh, no?
you think
In a
TNT
perfect
can have
world,
the
wala.
boy of Tana, BGR, welcome back by the way, and heading if there was more leagues? No way, bro.
That's crazy. Kalat
Sobrang
yan for
no
sure,
way.
kalat. If you had like 20 teams at least, no? Bakit
Yeah, bro,
18 nga
again.
lang eh. 15 to 8.
Sorry. Alam mo, dami pala nating thoughts, no? But, pero Manila Classico talaga yung ano.
Oh yeah, Manila Classic. Okay na ba? May mga closing ano na ba tayo?
Ayun. On the Ginebra end, you want to play all of your games the way you played that fourth quarter, man. Yun, totoo yun. Kasi, in the fourth quarter, everybody was moving, defensively and offensively, ha? Nobody was ashamed to shoot that ball. No, for the love of God, somebody on Ginebra has to shoot that ball, and Jamie Malonzo said, ako na nga. You know, like, those are the things that need to happen if you're Ginebra. Number 3, bro, if you're Coach Tim, pamigay mo na yung gusto mong ipamigay, pre. Let's get
Before the playoffs.
Yeah, send them off already. Get the guys you actually who you might actually play. Okay, yun yung totoo doon. Let's send them off already. Let's keep forcing this podcast to record videos every night because of the trades. Alam mo yun? Like that's how you want it to be.
The people want it. Nakita namin sa comments. Makikinig kami ulit sa next trade update. Makikinig kayo every every trade update.
Every single trade na na tawag doon. Every single trade na pwede naming pag-usapan. Yung mga may kwenta naman, hindi yung tipong blue trotter for one pick. Mga ganun, wag na yun.
Hindi naman tayo gumagawa ng ganun before. Hindi naman tayo
Yung
gumagawa
mga legit na trades, yung mga mabigat talaga. Pag-uusapan talaga namin yan, man. So if you're Ginebra, you can't tell me that Ginebra has nothing planned after what Magnolia and TNT did, man. May plans yan. And let's get it done. So now you finally have a roster who will genuinely know who's gonna play. Okay? Malapit na yung playoffs, pre. Yung Magnolia, alam nila kung sino maglalaro. They know who's playing.
Alam na
SMB
nila
knows
yan.
who's gonna be playing, man. NLEX does not sway from their rotation at all. NLEX is,
Kita, it's very dead
bro,
set
I
na
am
ito yung
playing these
rotation.
9 players. I'm not touching anybody else on that bench. And yung NLEX, man. Ross is not, well, Ross is Ross. Ross will always be Ross.
Ross changes every game. Different starting five.
TNT knows exactly who they're playing. They only have 7 players who they actually play right now.
Yeah,
Alam mo
yeah,
yun?
yeah.
It's time for you to literally decide who's gonna play the game, and it has to be more than 6 players if you're Coach Tim. It has to be more than 6 players kasi mapapagod ka talaga. On the Magnolia end, guys, this loss, forget about it. You don't give a shit about this loss.
Mm.
You
Tama.
lost the game.
Okay ka pa rin
You
sa
should have won
standings.
the
Sure na
game.
kayo eh. Yeah.
Yeah, sure na
Tama.
kayo. You just saw you just saw what William Navarro could do. You're fine if you're Magnolia. If you're a Magnolia fan, ito sasabihin ko, even as me and Graham, you guys know what we are. You guys know what we
You
are.
guys know what we are notorious for these
Yeah,
things.
we're notorious for it. Pero coming from Graham,
Oh.
right now, Magnolia has the best chance out of all of these SMC teams to win the championship. And
I agree
maybe,
also. I agree
like,
also na
basically how it is.
actually out of all the teams, Magnolia look
Yeah.
like that team.
Out of all the teams except NLEX, sabi ni Nico.
Except Inlex.
I still
Brandon
go SMB.
Ramirez says no, not. I won't allow Magnolia. And JB
I'll
Mokon
still go with
kanina.
SMB,
Shout out
ah.
JB 23 and 8.
Kapatid.
What's up, Graham? Sorry.
No, sorry. I was just saying na I'll still go with SMB sa magkakapatid because all Filipino
Okay.
and Junmar is a different beast. But I get what you're saying, and this is really this is really an interesting moment dahil yung susunod na kalaban natin ng Ginebra is TNT if I'm not mistaken.
Puta.
Um, or could be
So,
Ross.
Graham,
Dalawa na lang yung laban nila, Ross
seryoso?
and TNT. Yes, those two teams, those two games will be the barometer if we can take Ginebra seriously in
I can't wait
this
to watch
conference.
headings.
Hey, Graham,
And
serious
BGR.
question. So do you think Ginebra is number 3 right now between all SMC teams?
Yes. The way they're playing.
Makes sense.
yes.
Gets naman.
Wait,
Yeah,
guys,
Gets ko rin.
so while
Kasi
Graham
mag-
has been recording while driving, siguro naka-apat na siyang NCAP violation.
Oh, hindi.
News mga
No,
ng podcast natin, uy. Na-drive to.
Here's the only thing that I'll say. If you look like shit, if you smell like shit, then you're shit. Diba? They're playing like shit in the past couple
NCAP
of
number
games.
5.
They've not looked good. Oh. But seriously, yes, I think they're the third best team amongst the 5 SMC teams that we have. So yeah, diba? Out of the 5 SMC teams. So I'll wait for the TNT and Raynor Shine game. Yeah. But if we're able to see them perform good, at least be at par with those teams, then yeah, my mind may change because my heart will, but I don't know about my mind. So yeah, this is interesting. Right now, I think SMB should be the favorites. And then NLEX, bro.
Labo no?
they're
Pati
good.
ako, kapag sabi ni Mario, NLEX Mario, top 2 kami ngayon. Sabi ko, what? Top 2 kami ngayon? Sabi ko sa kay Mario, masaya na ako sa semis. Baka semis na kami, okay na ako.
Guys, if I'm being so honest, I'm not the biggest fan of NLEX. because man, I hate that those dudes somehow always beat Ginebra. May
Diba?
Okay,
Weird,
oo
no?
nga, no?
Weird, no?
Bro,
They always do
literal.
it every random
They always
games.
beat
Yes.
Ginebra.
Yes.
Kahit sino yung naka-roster sa kanila, pre.
Panalo pa rin. Kahit sino,
Ginebra.
di ba? Daquan Jones, sino pa ba? Yung mga
Sino
past,
man yun, pre?
Mike Watkins.
Si Mike Nieto pa lang yun, talo na yung Ginebra nun. Isipin mo yun.
Di ba?
Like-
Kevin Alas, Cameron Clark.
Lahat na
Kahit sino
labas
man
yun.
yun. Yung Mike Miranda, pagkaharap Ginebra, nagiging curry yun.
5 3-pointers.
So
Diba?
yun,
Saan
di ba?
galing yan, Mike?
Also yun.
Nung may buhok pa siya.
Ginebra.
Si Tony Semerad, pag tumitira kalaban ni Ginebra, good night ka na, pre. Tapos na yan.
No, Tony Semerad has those lines of 5-4-7 from 3 pag kalaban ni Nebra. Ano si Tony pag Ginebra?
Pag Ginebra,
Anyway.
double yun, malala. Basta, anyway.
Anyway, guys,
I
I
get-
think before we end it, comment kayo kung saan ititrade si Mav. Gusto namin makita ano yung thoughts nyo kung saan nilalagay si Mav.
sasabihin lang namin di kami
Oo.
sure kung si Mava.
Oo,
kami
kung
sure.
ano lang.
Pero
Wala
sabihin
kaming
lang
sources.
natin-
Trust me bro lang yung sources. Trust me bro.
One last thing. This is the most NLEX talk that you'll get in a...
Ito rin yung pinaka-most
podcast.
NLEX talk.
Sa Philippines. Walang
Sa Pilipinas.
nag-uusap about NLEX.
Pati mga lasing, hindi pag-uusapan ni NLEX.
I don't even think NLEX talks about this like NLEX, dude.
Tama.
It's just
The management doesn't talk about NX this way.
NLEX management doesn't even know how they got the second seed also. They're, oh nga no.
Parang Houston Rockets eh. No? Uy, ba't nandito tayo?
It was also random yung Houston Rockets number 2 lang yun. Anyway, yeah. So, sorry guys. Sorry. And naging
We
NLEX
just went
podcast.
all over the place.
Closing statement, boys. Okay na kayo? Okay na kaya? With our, okay na tayo? Shout out, Batman.
No, I'm happy. I'm happy with the win. It's different when you lose to Magnolia. Especially for me, who is
You guys should...
diba? Who is not a big Magnolia fan. So I'm happy that Ginebra was able to come up with the win. It's always classic. It's always worth the money. Sabi ko kanina, manonood ba ako? Parang sayang pera ko, but nagsisisi ako ngayon because it was a great game.
Pero kung talo yun niya, Brad, sulit yung pera, hindi nagbayad.
No.
Ito. I think, go
Like-
Mario, go.
Like, may group chat kasi kami, diba? May group chat talaga kami kasi we have to record these
Siyempre,
things.
kailangan eh.
You can see it here. Sinasabi ko talaga, pag natalo yung Hinebra, sasabog ako. Inaamin ko, sinasabi ko talaga.
Sasabog ako.
This is your best chance to win if Hinebra. And, ayun, yes, Hinebra wins the game. Yes, Graham and I will look like Hinebra supporters now, but we are completely honest when we say this. We know what this Hinebra team is, guys. We know what this Hinebra team is. We know who the best teams in the league are right now. And we know, as of right now, Hinebra might not be one of them talaga. But congrats on the win.
I think let's end this way. Guys, lahat na mga umabot sa dulo ng podcast na to, please comment NCAP Graham in the comments. So again, yung mga umabot sa dulo, NCAP Graham, will see that in the comments. We will acknowledge that and say, you listen. Alam namin umabot kayo sa dulo.
Ipin mo yung plate number.
NCAP Graham. Hindi ko alam. NCAP Graham. Matatawa ko rin comment, sir, police po ako, PNP po ako.
Kung may nanonood
Fan po ako ni Graham.
Kung may nanonood dyan at taga-NCAP
Oy, pero going
NCAP.
to work or going to school on a Monday morning after Hinebra win. Yes!
Lumabas na yung kaya ka nababash eh.
Ito sasabihin ko guys, alam niyo nung nagsimula pa lang si Graham dito sa podcast na to, shameless pa, nagja-jacket pa yan para
Tinatago niya pa dati. Tinatago niya pa.
Sabi kasi ni Nico, don't show it.
And then lumabas na. Sabi ko, apo, sige, labas na natin, bahala.
Umasok sa bahay.
Kapal na mukha, sasabihin niya, after nung Hinebra win, yes!
Let's live with it.
Then, the best pa rin yung Game 7, naka-Hinebra shirt, nandyan si Manong, nalala nyo yun? Si Grim, naka-red Hinebra, mamukha ng players sa t-shirt niya. So, tekong
Yeah.
No shame.
No, I'm not apologizing for it. It don't work for that.
Call him whatever
Anyway.
you want to call him, man.
Anyway, guys, yung comment, huwag nyo kalimutan, yung mga mabot sa dulo, NCAP Grim. Anyway, guys, for those on Spotify, follow 5-star rating, on YouTube, like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you guys for the next episode na pwede pag-usapan or next trade. Peace.
Adios, amigos.